Punch. Can this viral little monkey meme coin be one of the next 100x potential meme coins? I think it could be, and here's why. So, starting off with TikTok. We'll come over to TikTok. This is the TikTok page. I'm not sure if this is the meme coin owner's TikTok page or if it's the main TikTok page. I haven't really looked into that properly yet, but it's got 8,000 followers so far, 300,000 likes. All these videos here are 200,000 views. This one here's got 1.9 million views. This one here's got almost 700,000 views. So it's gone pretty viral, right? And I'm thinking if this viral momentum can kind of continue, then, you know, obviously the meme coin for this will grow with it. If this becomes more viral, then the meme coin for this can explode, right, over time. Obviously, the market conditions right now are not great. We're basically in a bear market, right? So it might not skyrocket too hard if it kind of happens around this time now. But if the market gets more bullish soon or in the near future at some point, right, the market becomes more bullish, if this coin can survive, or if this monkey can stay viral or even become more viral in that time, then in the next meme coin bull run, I think it's going to be a really good meme coin, right? Because we did have Moodeng in the last bull run, right? So Moodeng here in the last meme coin bull run in 2024, November 2024, obviously Moodeng skyrocketed to 700 million market cap, and you probably don't know what Moodeng is, but I'll show you anyway. So Moodeng is basically this feisty little baby hippo. I don't think it's a baby anymore, but it was a baby little hippo. It was a feisty little baby hippo that's going around biting people. It's got a bit of an attitude, right? So it's a cute little narrative, and Punch is very similar to that narrative-wise. Because Punch is a cute little narrative, it's a cute little animal, it's a baby monkey, and he's got this orangutan toy, and he's basically an abandoned monkey. His mother abandoned him, and now he thinks this orangutan toy is his mother. So he won't let this toy go, and he carries it around with him everywhere. So that's a cute little narrative, right? And if this becomes more viral and the virality sticks around and doesn't just disappear, then this could have a lot of potential for a meme coin, right? But again, not necessarily in the current market conditions, right? Because we're in a bear market, and what bear market basically is where everybody's selling, right, or shorting. So prices are going to go down because people are selling, right? The bears are stronger than the bulls. So this has obviously already had a run so far. It came up to 20 mil from 100k, so that's like 200x. So people are going to be taking profits. Again, we're in a bear market right now, so people are going to be dumping. So unless a catalyst comes along and pushes this up, which can happen, if a catalyst comes along, then it can go higher, right? We saw it with that penguin coin recently. That skyrocketed even though the market was pretty crap because it had a tweet from the White House. So something like that can happen, right? But if something like that doesn't happen, then this is probably going to bleed out a little bit lower. It's currently on support right now, holding up above this previous high over here. But again, if there's no catalyst that comes along, it's probably going to bleed lower over the coming weeks or months. And then I will probably be interested in buying at some point, right? Or DCAing in. But not now, because again, it's already had 100x or more run. So people are in a lot of profits right now. And because we're in a bear market, people are probably going to be taking profits. But yeah, I think this one has a lot of potential in the next meme coin bull run, whenever that comes. You know, if the virality sticks around, then, you know, this could have a huge run. The only difference that Moodeng had that was probably better than Punch is that the team for Moodeng, they donated tokens to Vitalik Buterin, and Vitalik Buterin basically sold the tokens when Moodeng pumped, and then he donated all the tokens. It was quite a lot of tokens as well. I think it was like maybe $500,000 or something, or maybe more than that. And he sold the tokens and then donated it to charity. So obviously that was pretty bullish. That was a big part of why Moodeng skyrocketed. But also it was the meme coin bull run. You know, all the meme coins were going crazy in late 2024. So that's the main reason that it ran. Even if Vitalik didn't interact with Moodeng, he probably would have skyrocketed anyway, to be fair. Maybe not as high, or maybe it would have just skyrocketed a little bit later. I don't know. But a lot of meme coins were going crazy then, so it probably would have skyrocketed anyway. And yeah, this is a similar narrative, right? It's a cute little monkey with a toy. It's similar to Moodeng. It really reminds me of Moodeng. So yeah, I'm definitely interested on... Again, I'm just watching this though. I'm not buying just yet because it's had a big run already. But I'm watching this and I'm thinking about maybe stacking this one up and holding it for the next bull run. For the next meme coin bull run. So yeah, look, he just like takes this doll around with him everywhere. So yeah, pretty cute. Perfect for a meme coin. And the CTO dev for Punch is actually, I don't know where, I'm sure he had it written here on his on this page somewhere. Here it is. So yeah, previous Punch team abandoned Punch, so I CTO'd. I'm the actual person who can donate to the zoo directly. So he's donating the fees and whatever other funds to the zoo that has Punch in it. So that's pretty bullish. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's why I'm watching this one. I think it has a lot of potential, and I'm watching it closely. If you want to keep up with any updates or anything like that, then I recommend checking out my private Discord server. So in here you can keep up to date with my posts, any of my trading activity. I haven't been trading too much lately because again we're in a bear market at the moment, and until I see some sort of confirmation that we're not in a bear market, I'm probably not going to be trading too much because opportunities are scarce, whereas in a bull run opportunities are everywhere. But yeah, you can see my trade alerts and my trading activity. You get access to my course as well if you want my beginner course. You can get exchange listing alerts. You can chat to other degens and collaborate, find the best picks. We've got a few guys trading AI coins, AI agents. They're doing pretty good in there. I found a few good ones. And yeah, we've had a few decent winning calls in there so far. So this one guy in there called this one, which actually went on to do a 16x recently. This one, what was this one called? Kelly Claude. Yeah, this one went on to do a 16x from when he called it. It actually did way more than that from the bottom. But from when he called it in the group at 1 million, it went up to 16 million or whatever. So yeah, 16x it did. Or maybe it did more after that. I haven't checked it since. This guy called this one for a 4x as well. And yeah, there's been a few other good calls in the group so far, right? So yeah, and you can see my watch list in here. You can see the coins I'm watching and stuff. So if you're interested in joining this group, you want to be part of one of these groups, you can join my one now whilst I'm still a really small channel. And obviously I plan to make this channel a lot bigger over time. I'm working on it, right? So I'm just starting off this group at $1 a month. Obviously I'm going to put this up over time as I grow. And yeah, this is the early access deal. I'm not going to let too many people in at this price now. Soon it's going to go up, probably put it up to $5 or something like that at first. And yeah, so if you're interested, check this out. I'll leave the link in the description. And by the way, if you join for $1 a month, you'll be locked in at that price. That's the deal. So right now I'm doing it for $1 a month. Anybody, it's basically like investing in a crypto, right? You get in early, you get a cheap price, and then you're locked in at that price. And as the price pumps, you're still locked in at that price. And whoever wants to buy the next price, they get that. It's the same sort of thing as investing into a crypto. So yeah, if you're interested, link for this is in the description. Also, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.